These Igbos, they are in almost every village in this country. And they have targeted our markets. That's the retail.
Nigerians.
Okay, fine. Nigerians. And they have targeted our market. They are in almost every village in this country. And Oma targeting their markets. That's retail sector. But our laws does not allow foreigners to engage in retailing.
Your laws only allow for foreigners, white foreigners, to come in wholesale and give you the tiny bit so that you can get money in retail, but they make the money in wholesale. Anyways, the point of this video is, Igbos, are you not tired of fighting Hausa people? Are you not? Because as you have seen now, as you have learned through life, there is only one group of people in this world that can tolerate Igbo competition, that can handle competition from Igbo, and it is Hausa people. If you think I'm a liar, go ahead and put it in the chat. Every single, that's the same reason Yorubas in Lagos, they are complaining, they want Igbo out. When the fuck have you ever seen Hausas get up and say, we don't want Igbos here because they are dominating the market? In Zaria, there are parts of Zaria you go to, if you want to buy anything, you have to buy it from an Igbo man, because Igbo men don't dominate that shit. Same goes for Kano, Katsina, Sokoto, Maiduguri. Hausa people are the only people that will see Igbos coming, starts one business, dominates that entire sector, and Hausas will go, Shege. That's it. Shegu. Sandoke. That's it. Bastards. They've taken it. And then Hausas will either go, all right, we can either compete and take this back, or we start another market. We find something else. But Hausas, historically, Hausas are the only people. Igbos, again, everywhere Igbos go, Igbos are the Jews of Nigeria, Jews of Africa. They have this dominant mindset that everywhere they go, they have to dominate. And they only do it in European countries, African countries. I mean, they do it in European countries, but every level, no level. They know how to stop. They know. But when they're in black countries, African countries, they want to dominate. And it's business. Isn't that survival of the fittest? That's capitalism. If you can't hang. So what we're seeing is a bunch of people, South Africans can't hang, they can't compete. So instead of that, they come out to fight and demonize these men, burn their shit and kick them out because you cannot compete. Ghanaians were seeing the same thing. You saw this video. Igbos are in every village and she was like, oh, say Nigerians. He goes, okay, Nigerians. Ghanaians cannot compete. The only people that can compete against Igbos and stand tall are Hausa. Yoruba, go Lagos. Yorubas are trying to kick Igbos out of Lagos because Yoruba cannot compete. Igala cannot compete. Ishekiri cannot compete. Nobody can compete with Igbo except Hausa. And nobody can live in peace with Igbo except Hausa. But why have we been fighting?